Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah. So today we have our final ATEEZ April video, and it'll be my last reaction for their music videos for a while until their comeback at least. I'm both excited and nervous, and I'm sad that this is coming to an end, but there's still so much for me to see from them. So after the reaction, we will have a little talk and I'll wrap things up, but I won't put this off any longer. Let's get straight into the video. Not ready, really not ready. I'm never ready to hit play. I have no idea what to expect from the song. Oh, someone said in my previous reaction, they commented that thanks at the end of the music video was a spoiler for fireworks. So I don't know if they meant the song. I'm guessing the like instrumentals that was playing. Anyways. Oh, well. There it is, right there. I'll turn this up. I don't know how loud it's gonna be. So I'm trying to talk some. I was just gonna say it's so sad not having Mingi here. Of course, I know he's not there right now. I'm aware. So, okay, sorry, Sangwa. You can continue. I love their outfits. I love the setting, it's so pretty. This reminds me of the obsession. Oh, right, I forgot that. Oh, he's on the radio. I think I asked someone whether he was still in the song and they told me yes, but I forgot. I wasn't thinking. Oh, it said fix on. I don't want to cry. Okay. Oh. I'm so glad he's still in the song. Okay. I'm gonna go back a little bit. They're all listening to him. It all looks so good. And they always go hard with the dancing, but this feels really hard. What are they saying right there? I love the instrumentals on this. Oh, he looks so good. I know this was on the thumbnail, but sorry, Hongjoon. I have to. He has to stare. Oh, Yosan. I love his hair like that. What a nice beat. It has like a very Latin vibe, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Woo! Oh my god, Jongho! I was focused on the fire. Oh my god. Wow, that looks amazing. Whoa, outfit change. Well, there's the fireworks. Something's gonna happen, right? I feel like something always happens. Oh, is this that one guy? Yeah, it's the guy from Answer. He's following them. Don't worry guys, I will get into storyline. Because this is the last music video reaction until their next comeback, we're gonna watch that again. I'll give the timestamp down there. If you just hover over, you'll see like the little chapters. So you can skip to the next part if you want. I'm probably going to watch a dance practice. So we're gonna watch this again, then dance practice, and then we'll wrap it up. I like that they have an intro. It kind of like gives you a second to like take a breath. So far I like the song. I don't know, I'm pretty sure I've mentioned it, especially in my very first ATEEZ reaction. Not a fan of the overused auto-tune like that. I try and look past it with ATEEZ, like I try so hard. Like I would have loved to hear his voice without that auto-tune on it. I think it would have sounded great. I love that pink hair on him. You know, I'm not usually a fan of the red on Jungho, but here it looks good. I feel like they all get lots of screen time, so I really love that. Wooyoung, go hard! Oh, is that Mingi in the back saying that, I think? I love his outfit. Song. I like that a lot more than Thanks, for sure. Like, especially on a first listen. I love that they all get good amounts of screen time. Okay, so we are going to move on to the dance practice now. I'm very excited to see it. I guess Mingy will do this part when he's back. I feel like the moves are so hard hitting for this song. I love the dancey vibe of this song. Or at least of the chorus. Jongho with his face there. I love seeing their individual like fashion styles as well in dance practices. Some of them dress up every time, some of them just wear super casual clothes. I can't wait to watch the music show stages for these. I love how expressive Jongho is being. Woo! Oh, I love that. I love Yosang being in the middle. Did I say Yosang? Yosong? I don't know why I said that. I'm sure this video is already going to be pretty long, but I wanted to do a wrap up for you guys as well, and we can talk in the comments. I love discussing this kind of thing, but also for myself to look back on. It's interesting now that I've had this channel for 6 months, and looking back on some of my reactions and what I said my favorite songs were or what I was vibing with at the time, it's interesting to see how it's changed or what my views were or what I thought like on a first listen. So we'll start with favorite songs from each album. I have notes written down. I'm probably still going to ramble, but I had to write down some notes. Treasure episode 1 favorite song would be Twilight. Now, I love the overall album. I love every single song on the album. I listened to this back in December, so my first reaction was filmed in December. It's not that I didn't like the songs. Like I said, I liked every single song. I listened to that album a lot. but it didn't hit me as hard as the next album. I didn't have the urge to like explore more after that, but I'm glad that I did. So favorite songs for Treasure episode 2, Say My Name. I tried not to name title tracks, but Say My Name, Light, Promise. Honestly, this whole album is amazing. I love the whole album. I loved every single song on first listen. Besides Hala Hala, which took just like another listen or two to grow on me. It didn't take very long. Yeah, Treasure episode 2 is one of my favorite albums as well because I love every single song. I would call them all favorites, honestly, but we'll stick with, I guess, Light maybe is like the top favorite. I don't know. It's so hard to choose. For Treasure episode 3, Utopia and Aurora. I mean, who didn't see that one coming? The whole album is good still, and it's very light, and it gives like a really nice feeling to it, like a very happy feeling. Treasure episode Finn, however you say that. Favorite songs are Mist, Win, and Sunrise. Mist, the vocals on that are incredible. They're so emotional. And then Win is, I don't know, I feel like I could see them performing that on Kingdom. I think Win would be a perfect song to perform on there. So Treasure epilogue. Favorite songs are Answer. That's it, just Answer. I love that song so much. And also I wanted to comment on the outro. So when I'm done reacting, I go about my day, get some things done, but then I'll sit down and I'll put on my good headphones and I'll listen to the album of the songs that I just reacted to. So I was listening to this one and you know, all the songs played, whatever, and then the outro, I was like, oh, this is very nice. It's like kind of uplifting. It has the narrator guy again, which I found out is Maddox, is that correct? Who does all their narration. I like his voice, he has a good voice. So I was like, wow, this outro is so uplifting, so nice. And then like it had that switch up and it's like asking about if you heard the voices, and then the switch in the instrumentals. Oh my god, I think I had like heart palpitations. Like, I'm not even exaggerating at all. I had the volume really, I like listening to stuff on really high volume. I had the volume so high, and it scared the shit out of me, honestly, but like in a good way. I was like, what is this? That was amazing. Which brings me, I'll just say real quick, to another point. All their intros, outros, they have like some interludes. All of those are amazing, and I really commend them for that because it really gives the listener an experience while listening to the album. Instead of playing it on shuffle all the time, you could sit through and play the album through, and it's just like a whole experience, and you can tell it's telling a story if you listen to it. So I really love that specifically for the Treasure albums. So then also I listened to this at some point. It must have been after Answer. So Treasure episode Map to Answer. So it's just like a bunch, is that the one with a bunch of remixes? Map to Answer. So that has Japanese version of Answer and then like some a couple remixes. And then also Better, which is my favorite song from it, but it's the only original song on it. Which brings me to my other point. So then after that they have Treasure episode Extra, Shift the Map, and it's just a bunch of remixes. I don't usually like songs when they're remixed because I feel like it takes out my favorite parts of the songs, and I just would rather listen to the original song. But I feel like for their remixes, it's just like a rearranged version of the song almost. I love listening to the remixes as well. I put it on shuffle. I don't usually skip those. I'll let them play because they're just so good, and it's like an alternate version of the song. So then I've listened to Fever Part 1 a few times. Only song that really grabbed me a lot was Good Little Boy. I also like One Day at a Time. I know that's the English song, so I was looking forward to hearing that. That's a nice like comfort song, so that was really nice. But Good Little Boy is really good. The other songs aren't my favorite, and they'll have to grow on me more, I guess. They're not bad or anything like that. They're just not something I would choose to listen to all the time, although Thanks has grown on me a lot. I said my favorite songs from each album. My favorite songs overall for all their songs so far, Aurora, Sunrise, Answer, Better, and Good Little Boy. So another side note, I just want to say I love all their vocals, literally all the members. I haven't really heard Mingi sing though, but besides that, I love all the members' vocals. Like, they can all harmonize so beautifully with each other, and I love each color and tone of each of their voices. And I think they all go together really well, so I'm looking forward to them improving even more. So anyways, that's just a few things I wanted to make note of, and we can talk more in the comments down below. I'm so excited to get to know them even more. So I have a list. I always have a list. So I made a list of all their like reality type shows that they've done, and I was going a little bit in order, but I've skipped around a bit. Some of them are easier to watch than others. It just depends on the productions, honestly. Some of them are a bit harder to get into. Like, I'm currently watching Codename is ATEEZ. I'm finding that a little bit hard to want to keep watching. Production of the show, I guess. I don't know. It's nothing against ATEEZ or anything, obviously. So I started with KQ Fellas. That was the very first thing that I watched from them, besides some random English challenge videos, English interviews that I could watch because there were no spoilers. After that, I watched KQ Fellas, and that's when I started falling in love with them. They're so cute there, and it was very nice to see that as my first kind of introduction to them. So after that, I watched ATEEZ Treasure Film. So Treasure Film, oh, it was so short though. I wish it was more than 3 episodes. I loved watching that, and I want to watch it again. And then after that, I watched ATEEZ Wanted, which I really loved. Also felt really short. I would rewatch that one again too. That was really fun. So I'm looking forward to watching Salary Lupin. I heard it's really funny, so I might jump to that one next. But I have a whole list of their shows, and I'm gonna get through all those and watch those, and I'll watch some more music stages from their past comebacks. So I'm definitely going to react to their next Kingdom stage. Whenever it is, I'll react to it. So this is not the end of my ATEEZ journey. It's actually just the beginning, really. And I'm so glad that I started this journey. I can't wait to have my first comeback as an ATEEZ. Thanks for sticking around for my very long-winded video. Thank you guys as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye!